In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate Vinted Balance. If you sell on Vinted, activating your balance lets your earnings land in one secure place inside your account so you can track what you've made and use it according to Vinted's payout options. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can get it done in just a couple of minutes. Start by opening your browser and going to vinted.com, then sign into the account you want to use. Make sure you're logged into the right profile before you continue because the details you add will be tied to that account. Once you're on the homepage, look to the top right corner and click the profile icon. It usually looks like a small person's silhouette or your avatar. From the menu that appears, choose Balance. This takes you to the area where your sales earnings and payouts are managed. On the Balance page, click Activate Balance. This is where you'll enter the details Vinted needs to confirm the account holder. First, type the account holder's first name. Use your legal first name exactly as it appears on your official documents. Avoid nicknames or shortened versions, and watch out for typos. Next, enter the account holder's last name. Again, use the full legal last name. If your name includes special characters or multiple surnames, enter them exactly as they appear on your ID to prevent verification issues later. Select your nationality from the list provided. Choose the option that matches your official documents and how your bank or identification lists your citizenship. Then, enter your date of birth. Pay attention to the required format on the page. If the site expects day, month, year, follow that order. A quick double check here prevents frustrating errors. Now add your billing address. Include your street, house, or apartment number, city, postal code, and country. Use a complete and current address. Consistency matters, so if your bank statements or identification show a particular formatting, mirror that as closely as possible. When everything looks correct, click Activate Balance to submit. You should see a confirmation on screen. If the page highlights any fields, it means something is missing or formatted incorrectly. Fix the highlighted parts and try again. Common issues include extra spaces, swapped day and month, or missing apartment numbers. That's it. Your balance is now set up, and as you make sales, you'll see the amounts reflected here. Keep your details accurate and up to date, and never share your login or codes with anyone. If you ever need to review these settings, return to your profile and open the balance section.